Hey guys, this is Madhu Chaudhary and I welcome you all to my channel, The Lifestyle Edit. So recently I did some shopping from Club Factory and I thought to share it with you guys as well. Lot of people are buying these days different items from Club Factory and the prices they offer are really cheap in various items, though they are not really for a few things like for a few clothing items or shoes or something like that, but still for other accessories and other things the prices are really very low. So I thought why not try it once, and because I have done it and it's a new site that have been launched in India, and again it's an international online site, so I thought if I'll share my views about the site and the products I have bought, that will help you in making your decisions about purchasing things from this website. So without further ado, let's begin with the video. Club Factory is an online website which sells different items like clothing, shoes, different accessories and various other things which are used in day-to-day life, and the items seem to be really cheap or at affordable prices. Though the quality is not assured, you should always buy the products reading the reviews and the sizes of the products. I bought these on I think 15th of December, and I got it delivered at my home on 22nd December. So it took around a week's time to deliver the material. I think I bought 14 different items. They are very small things. I didn't buy big items because I was not sure about the quality of the things. So I bought different items which are affordable, and the quality seemed to be good. So these things come with these poly bags. These are Ziploc bags actually, and these can be opened like this. So one good thing is they are intact in the bags, and there is no chance of losing anything during the transit. They also give you a tracking link where you can track your shipment, but it will not give you exact places at a particular time where the shipment has reached, but it shows you the major things that it has arrived in India, it has reached to a docking station or something like that. So that was all about the website and the transit system. Let me show you the products which I have bought. If possible, I'll also insert the photograph of the item somewhere on the screen so that you can see exactly what I have bought, how it looks in this on the site, and exactly in real life. So first thing which I want to show is this t-shirt. The actual color, quality and material of the t-shirt which looks in the photograph is quite different from the real. It's very thin material. The color is different from the site what it was shown. The tattoos are exactly the same. Let me show you exactly how it looks. It is like with these tattoos, cartoons, and it says life is better with a friend. Life is better with a friend. So it fits me like this. So fitting is okay for me, and it is exactly as I wanted. It was in size L. Though the color is different, the material is really soft. It feels good when you wear it. So next thing which I bought is t-shirt. This is a normal t-shirt with white and black stripes. It's full sleeves t-shirt. It's not cotton exactly. The material is synthetic, plus it feels that it has some lycra in it because it's quite stretchable, and I bought it in size L. At the end of the video I'll show you exactly how it fits on me, and it costed me rupees 335 and 22 paise. Next thing is this pair of earphones which I bought. I felt that they were really cheap on the Club Factory. They are of good quality. It seems they are okay, and the voice quality is also good. I bought it for rupees 77 on Club Factory, so it feels okay for me. Okay, coming to the next item, which is this. It's so amazing. It looks so amazing when you wear it. Let me show you exactly how it looks. though it doesn't show you the its exact beauty, but the neck piece is really amazing, and if you wear it on some bright color kurta or something like that, or maybe on a sari, this will look really amazing. So I am really impressed with this neck piece. The quality is amazing, and it was for rupees 211. Next thing is this bracelet. I bought it for my kid. He really likes wearing something on his wrist, so I bought this for him. And though the color is really nice, it looks very bright and beautiful. But the only thing is, when I tie it on his wrist, you know, the attachment or the locking system is not very good, so it gets, you know, open really easily. Even if it touches it, it gets open. So I was satisfied with the quality of the bracelet, but not with the locking system. I'll suggest not to buy this because it is of no use right now for me, and it costed me rupees 86. Okay, so next thing is the pair of these earrings. So they look really amazing, but these are not exactly how it looks on the picture. I thought and I wish that it could have been a little bigger than what exactly is the size. So if I wear it, so this is how exactly they look on me. I expected them to be little bigger and little thinner than what it is. It's little broader actually. The picture looks little thinner and the size looks little bigger. So I feel the dimensions have interchanged. Though I feel they're still nice and they look good. So you can definitely go ahead and buy this product. It costed me rupees 78. So for this price, the hoops are really nice. Next thing is this rose gold cuff band or bracelet, you can call them. So this is how it looks, and it exactly matches the color of my watch. So that is why I ordered it, and I really liked it. The quality is nice, and it looks great. So, and it costed me rupees 83 only. So I'm loving it, and you should definitely go ahead and buy this thing. Next thing is these pair of earrings. They look really nice. They are exactly as shown in the picture. Though the quality of hoop, the quality of loop is not good, and it's a normal wire kind of thing which can easily break or bend. So that is the only thing. Otherwise, it looks good. What I felt was it would have been nice if the backside also looks exactly like the front size. Let me show you guys exactly why I am saying this. So let me show you exactly how it looks. See, this is the position. If I wear it like this, keeping the actual design outside, see how it looks. You know, it will be like this. So if somebody is looking at you from the front, it shows the back side, which I feel is little weird. I didn't like it that much. So if you want to buy it, think before you click on that add to cart button. It's beautiful, no doubt, but the quality and the thought or exactly the concept doesn't work. So next thing is pair of these earrings. These again look very amazing. Okay, so the last set of earrings was for rupees 83, and this one and this one is for rupees 120. I'll show you how it looks. All these earrings are very lightweight and they look amazing. So this earring is also very beautiful and I really liked it. It will definitely go on my few traditional dresses and it will look beautiful. So I really liked it. Next thing is this pair of necklace, infinity necklace, and let me show you exactly how it looks on me. This infinity necklace is nice. The silver color is really very bright, and it looks that they are of little cheaper quality, but they are amazing. I felt that the size of this infinity is little bigger than what is actually given in the picture. So I feel that there is some difference, but still if I wear it on some dresses, I still feel that it will look great. It was for ₹59, so I feel that for that price it's okay, and I liked it. You can definitely go ahead and buy it. Again, the next thing is this little necklace, and it has some stone as a pendant, and it is in silver color. It was for ₹66, I think, and it looks like this. So the silver color is exactly how the infinity neck piece looked, but it looks nice because it's very simple. It's in, the stone makes the look of this necklace very appealing, and I'm sure it will look nice, simple on some amazing dresses or some stylish dresses. So I really liked it. Next thing is these 8 chokers. I got a set of 10 chokers and they costed me ₹163. So let me show you one of it. Let me show you one by one how they are exactly. I'll not wear all these, but I'll show you how exactly they look. So first one is like this, and I feel that it's really amazing. The quality is nice and it looks really nice. The second one is a similar one. It has a triangle, small triangle at the center. These are not actually something made of thread or clothes. These are some other rubbery material, which is not that great, but you can definitely wear it sometimes. Next is this one. This also I have a pendant like this in the front, and the flowery material is, I think, made of some lace. Next is this simple 3-layered choker. It's nothing but there are 3 layers of choker. So I think it will also look nice. Next thing is this choker plus a little neck piece which look like this. So the choker is like this. Let me show you exactly how it will look. So this is how it will look on your neck. So I really liked it. Next thing is this. This is again a choker plus a neck piece with a little triangle in the front, which looks amazing, and I'm sure it will look great when I wear it. So again, a nice piece. Next thing is this. Again, it's a double layered choker with a pendant in the lower layer. So again, nice thing. Second last one is like this. It's a simple lace kind of thing. And the last one is like this. It's a simple choker, straight. There's nothing on it. It looks great. Okay, so next thing, which is the most favorite thing out of all these, is this sweater. This is of orange color. The color is really bright. It's exactly as shown in the picture. The material is so soft. Everybody in my house liked it, and I personally like it a lot, though the size looks little smaller for me. This sweater is for ₹857. The price is little on a higher side, but I really like the quality. The size is little smaller for me, but still I feel that it fits me. I'll show you at the end of the video how it looks on me exactly. Okay, I forgot one of the chokers and I found it now. So this is okay. So this is like this. This is a tie-up choker. There are 2 golden things at the end, and it's a long thread kind of thing. You will just have to tie it around your neck and then tie it, make a flower at the end. I'll show you exactly how it is done in the picture. So this is the last choker. One thing which is missing here is there's something which I'm not able to find right now, but I'll definitely let you know if I get it, and I'll show you I'll also show you the picture of that thing. That was an anklet. I'll insert the picture somewhere on the screen. I'm not able to find it right now. I'm not sure if I have got it. The package was a little open while it came to me, but I'll show you if I get it. This was it for the Club Factory haul. I have two other things to show, so I'll show you quickly exactly. I went Pantaloons as well a few days back, and I bought two things. This is the shirt. This is a blue and white striped shirt, if you can see the color, and it has some really good thread work done in the front. So I really liked it, and there was flat 50% off going on at Pantaloons. I'm not sure the exact price on which I got, but the tag price is rupees 12.99. The second thing, I have already worn it once, and I have washed it. So right now the current picture is not very good, but it looks like this. It is a kurta, and it is from Rangmanch brand. It has some little flair, and plus it has some printed flowers till the bottom. It's a simple straight kurta. There's nothing fancy about it, but I really like the color and the pattern. I bought it in size medium, and it fits me exactly like what I thought. The shirt was in a small size, so if you are buying it, make sure that you try it once so that you get the exact idea of the shirt. I don't remember the price of the kurta also, but it was for rupees 9.99, and after discount I'm not sure 30, 40 or 50%, but it was quite nice. The price was also good. So these are the two things that I bought from Pantaloons. I also bought a few shirts for my son, but I will not be including those things in this haul because right now I don't have these two things with me. So that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I didn't get actually time to shoot this video in the morning or noon time, so I am actually doing it at the evening time in my room under the tube light. I don't have natural light right now because it's all dark outside, so the lighting is not proper. I know, because I generally don't find time to shoot these videos, and so whenever I have little bit of time, I go ahead and do whatever little bit of planning needed and then shoot these videos. So I hope you'll not mind. I'm definitely going to improve on lighting system from my next video and in future as well. So please go ahead and watch this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video and follow me on my social media. Though I am not very active, but I am slowly going on my different social media things as well. So please follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. I think this is all for today's video. Till then, live crazy, be beautiful, and keep your environment clean. Bye.